Hey, it's Regina and welcome back. Thank you so much for taking the time to listen to these videos. And really, I can tell that you're here with me the second day. You truly desire change. And I really appreciate that you just coming over and taking the time to listen to this video. The second day. Right? Yesterday we talked about clarity, having clarity about what it is that you want for your life. Have you ever really sat down and really figured it out? I hope that you spent some time watching that video. If not, then you can click the link in the email that I sent to you. I posted it there as well. But I want you to spend some time finding out what it is that you really want for your life and what it looks like, okay? The next thing I want you to do, next reason why most believers never live the life or start the business that they truly desire is because they lack confidence. You lack confidence. You lack confidence in yourself. You don't even believe that it's possible for you. I want you to think right now, if I tell you right now that you could be making 10K per month, 20K per month, your life, you could buy the car with cash that you want. You could go on a beach and pay cash for your vacation. You could spend the next 5 days on a cruise. Would you believe it? Or would you think that's totally out of reach? Now, I've given you just examples. You may not want to do any of that stuff. You may just want to be comfortable where you are, just knowing that I have all that I need, right? Well, you need to believe and have the confidence in who God created you to be. And the only way you can be confident in who God created you to be is for you to know who God created you to be. You have to find out who you are. You got to know who you are so that you can move to the next level, so that you can have the confidence and the courage to start that business, so that you can have the confidence and the courage to make decisions that everybody may not agree with. You have to have confidence in yourself so that you can take risk knowing my why. Why am I doing this? You have to be confident that God told me to do this, so I'm going to do it because the desire is so strong. That's why you're watching this video, because you truly desire change. You really want your life to be different. And I want you to start believing in yourself. For those of you who've started your business, but you're not seeing the results, you're not seeing people come to you, you're not making the money you want to make, do you believe in yourself enough to charge what you're worth? If you're in your life and you want your life to be better, your marriage to be better, do you believe in yourself and have confidence enough to not take another moment of the life where it is right now, the relationship where it is right now? We have the power to change the way that things are. We don't have to sit down in the wishing and the hoping and the wondering land. The example that I gave before, if you have a flat tire on your car and you really want to move and go somewhere, you cannot sit there and wish and hope and think that one day I'm going to get my tire changed. It's not going to change until you decide to change it. Until you take it to the place that needs to get a new tire or put air in it in order for that vehicle to go. And the same is true for you. You have to move. It takes you to decide, I want to be confident in who God created me to be. Therefore, I need to understand what I need to do in order to go forth. You got to have confidence. You got to believe. How is your belief system? Where's your faith system at? If you don't have it, I suggest you get it. How do I build confidence? Well, first, you find out what you want. And once you find out what you want and you start listening to what God is saying to you and you start seeing the promises that God has for you, you begin to become confident in who God created you to be. So that's why most believers never live the life or have the business that they really want. They never start because they don't believe in themselves. They think that God is mad at them. They think that God isn't going to do it for them. Well, our God is amazing. He's not this mean man sitting on a throne waiting to punish you. That's not true. You are good enough. And he already created you to do what you're called to do. The question is, are you going to do it? Spend some time finding out, why don't I believe in what it is that I truly want? Can this happen for me? Is it possible for me? Spend some time asking yourself that question, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. My name is Regina Green with Making Faith Moves. Let me know what you think. Are you confident in yourself? Do you believe in yourself, or are you second guessing? Are you holding back on those gifts and talents that God has given to you? It's time for you to be heard. People are waiting on you. All right, I'll talk to you later. Bye.